Hello everyone, welcome to Rapid Learning to Memorize Anything. I am Paul and I will be your instructor in this course. I am full stack developer who develop a lot of system in company and some government agency. What is the application of this course in my job? Well, learning and memorizing is one of the best needed of a developer so that you will not forget what will be using in your code. And aside from that, I'm using it in my daily life when I'm buying in a supermarket, remembering people that I met, and going to places that my first time to be there. In this course, you will learn a lot of techniques to memorize, verbal and visual memory. This course is have a lot of exam and practice so that you can apply in your daily life. This course is designed as a fast-paced mode so that you will learn what you really needed. And that's it guys. Enjoy the rapid learning, memorize anything. See ya!